What's up? I'm doing a bike check on my '08 Eastern battery. I got an Odyssey limited edition brake lever, air grips, shadow bar ends, shadow Voltus bars, shadow conspiracy stem, animal blue linear cable, fit forks. The only thing stock in this bike is the front rim. Odyssey Aiken tire. You can see I'm running left side drive. I have shadow pedals. Got these at Cutter's Bike Shop in Bethlehem. Premium crank arms. Well, cranks. It's an Odyssey pivotal seat, changed from white to purple. I don't know if I'd suggest getting it because it doesn't change as much as it used to, but it's still pretty sick. Animal seat post, McNeil sprocket, shadow half link, Primo the wall back tire. Where's it at? It's a proper rim frame, Primo mix cassette, left side drive, hub, Primo spokes and nipples. I'm running Hombre brakes, and they're pretty good. You stop, and I might be selling this bike, so if you want to make offers, comment, subscribe. That's about it, but overall it's a good bike. I love it, but I have like other bikes and crap, so alright, thanks.